Social science project work is going on nowadays in class. Students are divided into different groups, and in their groups they are working together with cooperation and collaboration and making beautiful projects. Let's interact with these students and ask whatever they are doing. Okay, good morning students.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, nice to see you involved in your group project. So can you tell me that what are you making? You are making?
Virupaksha temple.
Okay, that is situated in Karnataka. Can you tell me something about how you are making it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are using cardboard and then we are also using cottons as the leaf of the trees. Ma'am, we are trying to use as much recyclable materials as we can. Ma'am,
Okay.
and we also made in paper. And ma'am, we are trying to improve it and make it as realistic as possible.
Okay. So everybody has participated in making this? Okay. Means everybody has contributed. Okay, good. Okay, good morning students. So what are you doing?
Ma'am, we are making a project on history chapter number 2, reshaping India's political map.
Okay. Reshaping India's political map. So what are you showing in this project?
Ma'am, in this project we are showing the changes in the map in other dynasties like in Delhi Sultanate, Vijayanagara Empire and the Mughal Empire.
Okay, so in detail you are showing about different sultanates, okay, of India, their rule, their kingdoms and all. And how you are making it? What are the things you have used?
Ma'am, we have charts,
Okay. And how people have contributed in this? All the participants.
we all have contributed we all are helping each other for making the
Okay.
whole project.
Okay, so how long, how much time it is going to take? Only one today in this period you are going to finish it. Good. Okay, students, what are you making?
Ma'am, we are making a file on the Maratha Empire, how they rise and their contributions to India, and how they manage their army and their revenue systems, and who are they, where did they live, all those information about them. This is our cover page of our file. When we open our file, these are some questions about the Maratha Empire and some points about the Shivaji administration and important achievements of Shivaji.
Okay.
Then, ma'am, we have here the map of Maratha Empire, the area they have covered.
Okay.
And then we have the timeline of the Maratha Empire, the major events of Maratha Empire, and then we have the rulers of Maratha Empire, and there are some important achievements, and these are some forts and points about the forts of Maratha Empires, and these are the pictures of those forts. And these are some army structures of the Maratha Empire, their cavalry, how they manage them, and their revenue system. And here is some quiz section about Maratha Empire, some question about them, and some interesting fact about them.
Okay, your file is almost ready. So what is your contribution, all the group members? How you have contributed in this? हाँ, I would love to hear from them also. ठीक है, आप लोग भी बोल सकते हैं, and you can use any language of wherever, whichever language you are comfortable in. कि आपने कैसे contribute किया अपने project में?
हमने सबने मिलके बनाया,
सबने मिलके बनाया है.
काम बांटा हुआ।
ओके. किसी ने इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करी है, किसी ने फाइल मेंटेन करके चार्ट्स वगैरह कट किए हैं, है ना? सो मीन्स ऑल ऑफ यू हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड. शुभ ने क्या कंट्रीब्यूट किया? शुभ, हाउ यू हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड?
शुभ ने मतलब हमको आइडिया दिए कि मतलब इसमें हम और क्या क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं, और शुभ ने हमको प्रिंटिंग वाले वर्क में हेल्प करी, क्योंकि शुभ थोड़ा लिख नहीं पाया था. इसने बोला था कि वैसा कोई ड्राइंग का काम होगा तो वो दे देना, तो हमने इसको थोड़ा प्रिंटिंग का काम किया था, और आइडिया भी हम सब ने मिलकर किए थे.
Okay, good. And what about you, Laksh?
I made this
Okay.
I have made
हाँ.
helped in making charts and all files.
Okay, this is our another group. They are, what are you making, students?
Volcano.
Volcano. And so you are showing volcanic eruption here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what? How you are making it?
And we are making it with the help of newspaper, cardboard, tissue, paint, and glue.
Okay.
Mixture of water.
Okay. So you are just starting it. How much time you are going to take to complete it?
मैम
One day or 1 or 2 days.
1 or 2 days. Means today and tomorrow as well. So try to finish it as soon as possible.
मैं cardboard
And remember that what you are doing, so that whenever you present your project, you should be knowing कि आप क्या आपने किया है इसको बनाने में. ठीक है? Okay. This is the another project. And these all are the group members, those who have put in their hard work into this project. So children, what are you making?
Ma'am, we are making a mini museum of our Indian history, in which we are going to tell you about ancient, medieval and modern history, and we are trying to collect some of the historical things like coins and something potteries and a sofa kind of, a throne kind of, to show how the ancient things were there and how they were.
Okay. So how you have contributed, all of you can speak. आपने क्या किया इस प्रोजेक्ट को बनाने में? How you have helped?
Ma'am, we all have contributed to make these things, these
Okay.
thrones, to represent the Indian history.
Okay.
And the work was contributed, and the base were created by Tanishq, and throne was created by Rohan, and the coins were created by Deepak, and potteries were created by Gaurav, and I am just joining them, and some of them is mine also.
ओके गौरव ने कैसे बनाए ये पॉट्स? किससे बनाए बेटा आपने? क्ले यूज करके बनाए हैं. ओके. एंड फिर उसके बाद आपने कलर भी किया है इनको? यस मैम. ब्यूटीफुल. एंड व्हाट अबाउट कॉइन्स किसने बनाए थे? हाँ, आपने कैसे बनाया बेटा?
कार्डबोर्ड ले लिया था, पेस्ट के बाद प्रिंट आउट उसमें पेस्ट कर दिया.
ओके. और रोहन ने क्या बनाया बोला आपने?
ये वाला
थ्रोन. रोहन ने कैसे बनाया इसे?
From thermocol and cardboard.
ओके. उसके बाद इसमें फिर आपने क्राफ्ट पेपर लगाए हैं या ये कलर किया है?
मैंने क्राफ्ट पेपर है, क्राफ्ट पेपर के ऊपर से एशियन लुक देने के लिए हल्का सा हमने ब्राउन कलर करा है, और ये एक थ्रोन पे मतलब गद्दी थोड़ी छोटी होगी, मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था इतना बड़ा बना देंगे, तो वो एक मतलब सीट टाइप की है. कॉइन्स में कुछ हमारे पास एक हमने कार्डबोर्ड से चिपकाए हैं, कुछ हमने क्ले से बनाए हैं, और कुछ एशियन पॉइंट हमारे पास है भी.
Okay.
तो वो अभी हम लगाने की ट्राई करेंगे.
ओके. सो हाउ मच टाइम मोर you are requiring to complete it?
Ma'am, we are just thinking of adding some maps here and there, so we will just take 1 or 2 days.
Okay, very good, very good. So this is our last group, and these all are the participants, members. So what are you making, students?
Ma'am, today we are making a volcanic eruption model,
Okay.
in which we will display that how volcano erupt, and how after erupting a volcano which type of gas is produced.
Okay. Divyanshu, what are you doing? You are making?
A miniature model of
Okay. और प्रियांशु? हाँ, प्रियांशु. Then yes, Daksh.
I am painting.
You are painting. Okay. And what are you doing? You both are painting. And we can see grass also there. The grass is so green. What will happen when the volcano will erupt? Will it remain the same? No, nothing. Okay. So how much time more you require? Only this period. Then it will be finished. One more volcano you have made at home. Okay. तो उसमें क्या दिखा रहे हो आप?
Ma'am, and that we will see that ma'am how volcano erupt, and after that we will see that after erupting the volcano which type of gas is produced.
Okay.